Today, let's talk about auto translation on YouTube. Yeah, that's right. I have a lot of pings in different channels asking, hey Wally, can you create content in different languages, Portuguese, Spanish? Yeah, this is hard, I can tell you. In the beginning of this channel, I tried to do like voiceover in different channels and was terrible the experience because I was doing the voiceover myself and the timing, yeah, was not good. At the end of the day, I was creating two different videos to talk about the same topic. And now you can imagine how hard it was to keep pushing, creating content and recording and doing all this step twice. Yeah, this is boring. And in that time frame, I thought, okay, maybe one day YouTube is gonna keep this easier, keep this clean to us creators. Eventually, we saw some change. I know that we have right now dubbing. It is not yet in my channel. It is not open to everyone yet. But about the translation, let me share this with you guys. All of the videos that I'm creating right now, they are in English. And you say, okay, but I speak Portuguese. Portuguese is my mother tongue. And how can I follow your channel if I'm not familiar yet with English? I'm still learning English and I would like to see maybe the closed caption in Portuguese. Can I do that? I believe not, because when I click over here on CC, I can see just English. And if I click on the gear and come to subtitle, you can see off to disable or eventually English. Are you ready? And this tip totally deserves your subscription. So you can click on auto translate and voila. Now you can pick your language, your own language. So let me scroll down to Portuguese. I can pick Portuguese, and then whenever I do play, let me remove the audio. I can see the Portuguese over there, and this is pretty near to the Portuguese. Eventually in the videos, I will do the fix in the subtitle because this subtitle is created by default by YouTube and by default will be in English. What I can do is go to the subtitle in English, fix any possible mistake in the subtitle, and then whenever you pick a different subtitle or a different language, the subtitle over here will be accurate. Eventually, we have some technical terms that can cause some confusion for this translation, but in general, you can follow this one in your own language, just following using the closed caption or the subtitle. Hey Wally, is this gonna work for Spanish, for instance? Let's give it a try. Don't forget, the trick here is this. There is no Spanish. You can click on auto translate and Spanish. And voila. Now we have the subtitle in Spanish, pretty accurate as well. So again, you can use this as a great opportunity to follow in your own language, and you can hear in English as well. And this is valid for any video. If we take a look on the channel, my name is Valdir, but if we take a look on any video on this channel, we can do the same steps, like closed caption. We are seeing now in Spanish. I can come here. Portuguese is not here anymore. Auto translate Portuguese. And there we go. Now we can see this in Portuguese. And this is impressive. This feature is pretty cool because I was talking to my colleague Takai and she's from Japan. Thank you, Takai, for your help. And if we take a look here in Japanese, she told me, Wally, this is pretty accurate. I can follow your videos just based on the text because I can see the information, I can see the message, I can understand the message that you are trying to share. So again, feel free to take a look on this. Feel free to use this feature. And if you see some word that is wrong, let me know. Feel free to send me an email. I'm gonna put the email here in the video right now. but feel free to send me an email or go to the description down below and say, hey, Wally, I'm facing problem. I can see problems in the subtitle in this specific time, and I'll be more than glad to fix this one as soon as possible. All right? I hope this video helped you to keep going and following this kind of content. Also, feel free to use the audio in English to help you to improve your English if you are learning English as well. And let me know in the comments down below anything that you like to see in this channel. I'll be more than glad to be working on that. All right? I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.